Dark psychology tricks to make anyone trust you. Even you lied to them before. Lying damages trust, but what if you could still make someone trust you? Even after they've caught you lying. These dark psychology tricks are used by manipulators to rebuild trust. Not with honesty, but with control. Learn them not to use, but to protect yourself from them. Give them the partial confession technique. Instead of admitting everything, manipulators confess to a small, believable part of the lie. It looks honest because they're owning up, but they're actually distracting you from the full truth. This trick builds sympathy, and people often forgive small lies, while the bigger lie stays hidden, to mirror their emotions. To rebuild trust quickly, manipulators copy your emotional tone, your anger, your sadness, your concern. It makes you feel understood, like they're on the same page. This emotional mimicry lowers your defenses, even when your mind still has doubts. 3. Use vulnerability as a weapon. They'll share something personal to appear honest, like a childhood trauma or emotional struggle. It creates an emotional bond, making you feel guilty for doubting them. Now, instead of focusing on the lie, you're comforting them. 4. Redirect the guilt. They'll say things like, "I only lied because I was scared of losing you," or "I didn't want to hurt you." This turns the conversation from what they did to why they did it, making you feel partially responsible. The lie becomes about love or fear, not manipulation. Don't repeat the truth, bury the lie. Once trust is shaken, manipulators repeat a new, corrected story over and over. They say it so confidently, so consistently that you start to question your memory.